To download the app, iOS users can visit the App Store and search for NEWYES Note, while Android users can find it on Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app. Note that a Bluetooth connection is required for data transfer from the pen, so ensure Bluetooth access is enabled. For Android users, Bluetooth 5.0 also requires location permission. Next, create an account. iOS and Android devices have different login methods, so follow the instructions on the respective pages. Choose the SyncPen section and enter the next step. Turn on the pen. The pen has an indicated light after being powered on. Click the icon to connect the pen with the app. Tap Next. The app displays a list of nearby pens with unique MAC numbers. Match the MAC number on the pen with the one on your device to establish a connection. After the initial connection, it will automatically connect to your device in subsequent uses. You can manually create a notebook by providing a name. After typing the name, click Finish. Or start writing directly, and the app will automatically generate a notebook. Let's delete this notebook first. As you write on a page, the app recognizes, synchronizes, and creates a new notebook with a default name. You can rename it. Let's discuss the page in the app further. As you can observe, this is the 105th page on paper, and on the app, it is also on the 105th page. Switching to another page will prompt both the pen and the app to switch accordingly. Now we are on the 107th page. Feel free to flip around to turn the page. Our notebook pages offer two views, image view and list view. You can arrange the pages in either chronological order based on their creation time or in the order of the pages themselves. You can save the entire notebook as a PDF for sharing or personal review.